Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.70% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 1.73% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by -0.69% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
NFT trading volume grows by 90 million in October. The non-fungible token, NFT, market is showing signs of life, with trading volume growing by 90 million in October compared to September. Decrypt reports that NFT trading volume increased by 32% from 406 million in September to 405 million in October, breaking the year-long downward trend. The growth in NFT trading volume coincided with the price of Bitcoin rising above $35,000, on anticipation of a potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval in the US. DApp Radar highlighted Solana as a notable network in terms of growth, with NFT trading volume on the Layer 1 increasing by 15% from 24 million to 27.6 million. The price of Solana itself surged by 65%, jumping from 83 yuan to around 38 yuan. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, saw a 50% jump in NFT trading volume, maintaining its leading position. Despite the rise in trading value, the overall number of NFTs sold in October swayed by 5%, from 3.8 million in September to 3.4 million last month. OpenSea lays off half of its staff amid company restructuring. OpenSea, an NFT marketplace startup, has confirmed that it has laid off approximately 50% of its staff. The company is reorienting its team around OpenSea 2.0, an upgrade to the product, which includes improvements in technology, reliability, speed, quality, and user experience, according to CEO Devin Finzer. The story is still developing and will be updated with additional details as they become available. U.S. Federal Reserve accuses Bitcoin Magazine of trademark violations. Bitcoin Magazine has been accused of trademark violations by the United States Federal Reserve for using the word fentanyl on its merchandise. The Fed claims that the use of the word can lead to confusion among readers, but the publication's legal team disputes this, stating that the items are parodic and constitute protected free speech under the First Amendment. Bitcoin Magazine will not stop printing or selling its fentanyl line of merchandise, as it believes it is a valid form of criticism of the Federal Reserve's instant payment system. Celestia's modular blockchain struggles with low activity in first week. Celestia, a modular blockchain, has experienced low activity in its first week due to low user adoption. The network's current TPS is 0.19, compared to Ethereum's 29.33 TPS and Arbitrum's average of 35 to 45 TPS. The token currently trades at $2.33 with a market cap of 329 million, but the token's performance has been impressive compared to Sway, and Aptos, which both experienced downturns after being issued. Celestia's business model focuses on data availability and aims to scale the entire crypto ecosystem. Inflection AI CEO Mustafa Suleyman criticizes Elon Musk's AI views. Mustafa Suleyman, CEO of Inflection AI, criticized Elon Musk's views on artificial intelligence at the United Kingdom AI Summit. Musk expressed concerns about AI taking over jobs and needing a physical off switch for AI systems. Sunak agreed with Musk's views, but Suleyman dismissed Musk's commentary as pedestrian. Suleyman also dismissed Musk's assertion that artificial general intelligence, AGI, would be realized by 2029 as a nebulous concept. Voyager Digital's native token surges 20% after 7.3M token burn. The native token of Voyager Digital, VGX, surges by 20% after on-chain data reveals the wallet sent 50 million tokens, 7.3 million, to a burn address. The wallet labeled as Voyager 1 made its first outbound transfer for 28 days, sending a test transaction of 123.45 tokens before sending the larger batch worth 7.3 million. Voyager filed for bankruptcy last year after the collapse of FTX, which was in talks to acquire Voyager before its implosion led to a market-wide downturn. It is currently unclear why the tokens, which equate to around 30% of the total supply, were sent to a burn address. Voyager outlined its intention to liquidate all assets in March this year. Voyager did not immediately respond to CoinDesk's request for comment. Binance drives 46% boost in derivative volume, solidifying market leadership in October 2023. The derivative exchange volume has increased significantly across leading centralized exchanges in October 2023. Binance recorded a 39.6% growth in volume, retaining its position at the top of the charts. This indicates the market domination and adaptability of Binance to industry changes. Fortnite launches Chapter 4 Season OG with original island map. Epic Games has announced the launch of Fortnite's Chapter 4 Season OG, which brings back the original island map from Solana-Based. The new season will gradually introduce new weapons, features, and vehicles for players. The OG Pass is available for 950 in-game V-Bucks and allows players to unlock premium items as they play. Fortnite is still popular with an estimated 223 million monthly active users. Epic Games recently faced layoffs, cutting 830 employees, while selling one subsidiary and spinning off another. The company also raised the price of V-Bucks bundles citing inflation and currency valuation changes. Crypto founders and executives face legal troubles amid sector collapses. Legal troubles of crypto founders continue to make headlines. Three Arrows, a company founded by Sue Zhu and Kyle Davies, imploded in 2022 due to leveraged bets. Liquidators are seeking $1.3 billion from Zhu and Davies, accused of failing to cooperate meaningfully. Thomas Smith, Kyle Nagi, and Braden Carney, behind crypto token SafeMoon, are accused of divert and misappropriating millions of dollars worth of SafeMoon. Mark Karpeles, former CEO of MT Gox Exchange, was cleared of embezzlement charges. Farouk Fatih Azer, former operator of Thodex, was sentenced to prison. Nathaniel Chastain, former employee at OpenSea, was accused of insider trading. OneKey open-source wallet announces fee adjustment due to sudden bank rate changes. OneKey open-source wallet announced unexpected fee increase due to bank interest rate changes. Card numbers with 404038, 41 and 556,150 affected, non-US dollar or international transactions affected. OneKey will refund additional fees within 2 weeks for transactions made between October 31st and November 4. Solana-based Web3 tools drive tangible returns and customer data insights. Solana, a Layer 1 blockchain, is powering Web3 tools that deliver tangible returns and deep customer data insights, as reported by mainstream brands and companies at the Solana Breakpoint conference. Boba Guys, a US-based bubble tea brand, shared its pilot program for a new customer loyalty app that incentivized customers to return to its San Francisco stores, with 600 users on board and 31% of orders attributed to the loyalty program. The Solana Foundation's head of commerce business development said the pilot demonstrated a tangible use case for commercial clients seeking Web3, blockchain-based tools to build their businesses and customer base. The recent integration of Solana Pay into e-commerce platform Shopify is another example of Web3-based payment tools becoming a viable alternative for conventional businesses. Fried acknowledged that there is still much work to be done to drive adoption of Solana Pay and Web3 tools built on Solana, with major payment processors and payment rails crucial in driving adoption. DCG faces legal mess similar to Enron scandal, says Lumida Wealth CEO. Lumida Wealth co-founder and CEO Rem Oluwalia compares the legal issues faced by digital asset conglomerate DCG to the Enron scandal of the early 2000s. The New York Attorney General has filed a complaint against DCG and its CEO Barry Silbert personally, following the collapse of FTX. Oluwalia alleges that DCG did not let its subsidiary Genesis go into bankruptcy to protect itself, as Genesis would have called in the loans and not refinanced DCG, which did not have the cash. He claims that the legal issues at play are arguably worse than those of Enron, as DCG allegedly issued fraudulent balance sheet statements via Genesis to their customers, something Enron did not do. Oluwalia expects Grayscale to be auctioned off due to the NYG's request that DCG be prohibited from acting as a securities and commodities business. He also expects DCG to be embroiled in endless settlements and lawsuits, effectively becoming an insolvent zombie company that will never be able to raise venture capital. BitGo and Copper combine in-custody settlement networks for secure crypto trading. BitGo and Copper are merging their in-custody settlement networks, providing users with access to major exchanges without leaving cold storage. The integration of BitGo's Go network with Copper's ClearLoop system will allow for access to exchanges such as Bybit, OKX, PowerTrade, BitGet, Bit.io, Deribit, Bitfinex, and Bittemp. The move aims to create an institutional-grade product with real market scale, rather than waiting for traditional financial institutions to build out custody and connectivity infrastructure. The partnership is a good fit for both companies, with BitGo recently acquiring a crypto custody license from German financial regulator BaFin and Copper focusing on its ClearLoop settlement network after closing its enterprise custody business earlier this year. The expansion of the off-exchange settlement networks is currently aimed at non-US users, but plans are in place to roll it out in the US, according to Matthew Ballanswade, who leads BitGo's Go network.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.